Alright, so it's time for part 2 of our investigation. So last time we left off, I had one paper towel, right? Remember we put paper towels in both ends of the balance and they were even. They were even because the balance was level and even. So what we did is we put one paper towel, we left it in the cup overnight, and then we took the other paper towel and I put it in a container where the lid was covered. Now, what do you expect is going to happen? What do you think will happen once we weigh these again? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put the paper towel that was out overnight in our balance. Right, now I'm going to take our other paper towel out. Stick it into the balance. Now again, what do you think is going to happen once I place this cup on the other side? Whoa, that's dramatic. What happened to the balance? What is the reason that this cup is higher and then this cup is just down? What had to happen? I'm thinking it's because this paper towel dried out. The paper towel that was exposed to the air started to dry out. I'm going to do this. Let me show you this paper towel. Can you see it? Okay. What do you think happens? What do you think happens? So in your journals, you're going to put your date at the top of the journal. You're going to do paper towel investigation. And I want you to draw what you think happened. What is the reason that when I place this cup on the other end of the balance, that nothing really happens, that this cup seems to be heavier than this cup? Draw what happened. So let's talk about it. Remember, this paper towel was in this cup, but it was out. I left it out for about 24 hours. Now, this paper towel seems to have dried up. It got drier. And the water that used to be in this towel went up into the air in a process called evaporation. Now, what is evaporation? Well, the water in here evaporated, went up into the air. It changed from water, remember there was water dripping from it, turned from water into an invisible gas called water vapor. Now the water vapor is still water, but it is in the form of a gas, so you can't really see it. But now, let's look at this paper towel. I'm going to take it out real quick. Look at this. Still dripping water. And this was the paper towel that was covered overnight. It was covered in this lid overnight. So, what happened to this paper towel? Why is it still dripping wet with water compared to this other paper towel that is almost dry? It's damp, but it's dry. So what had to happen? Do you think that water evaporated from this paper towel? You tell me.